Today is the day where I show you how to make a dish that is loved across all Middle Eastern countries, and it's called Mahshi, which is basically stuffed vegetables like courgette, peppers, aubergine with some rice and lamb. And as well, you'll have some like lamb pieces that are just falling off the bone to fill it and dip it into your tomato sauce. Start off by putting your sliced lamb at the bottom of your pressure cooker. You can use any slice of lamb that you like, followed by the spices and some boiling water, and pressure cook it until it's soft and ready. Now for the filling of the mahashi, you've got here Egyptian rice, some minced beef, tomato paste, 7-spice, olive oil, a bit of water and some chunks chopped tomatoes and salt. Now full instructions and details are going to be on my website as usual and link in bio. Now for the vegetables here, all I can give you advice is the more you practice, the better get. So mine looks a bit intimidating at first, but don't you worry. Now for the peppers, I like to keep the tops after cleaning them just because they look really nice when presenting them on a plate. Make sure you get rid of all the seeds. Now here I'm showing you how further you're gonna go when actually coring out the middle of the courgette, just because the more you go in, the more likely to break your courgette. And as I said, practice makes perfect. Take your time when doing it, and then you're looking to have it clear inside, and this is where the filling's gonna go. Now all I say is that tool that I bought, I'm gonna leave the link in my bio. Now when you fill your vegetables with that mahashi mix, don't overfill them. Keep in mind that your rice mix are going to expand, but make sure every time you fill a bit to top your vegetables, just to allow all that air to disappear and more fillings to go in. Now when your lamb is done, make sure you keep the lamb stock on the side because we're going to be using it. Now start adding your lamb in a different pan, followed by your stuffed vegetables. And once you're finished with that, add your lamb stock, followed by the tomato paste, and then put your lid on and then cook them for a bit. Now once that is done, we're going to be doing is we're going to put in some fresh garlic, lots of garlic, because that also makes the flavor. And this time we're going to put a plate. The reason we're doing that is because you don't want the actual vegetables to start going out, and we want to put a bit of a pressure on them. Make sure they're all cooked. Once that's done, the final stage is just to put some dry mint and then cook it for a few more minutes. And here you have it. So tasty, so delicious, so easy to make. And as I said, practice makes perfect. So the first time you're going to do it, you're going to feel super proud and you're going to love the flavor. Enjoy.